The evolutionary journey of cloud computing, from mainframes to multi-cloud. Dive into the captivating journey of cloud computing, from its early days with massive mainframes to today's multi-cloud era. Discover how Cross4Cloud is pioneering the future of multi-cloud management. Join our early access program and be at the forefront of the cloud revolution. Imagine a world where the idea of storing your photos, documents, or even your favorite songs required a room full of giant machines, humming away with their blinking lights. Sounds like a scene from an old sci-fi movie, right? Well, that was the reality not too long ago. Today, we casually mention the cloud in our daily conversations, often without pausing to appreciate the marvel that it truly is. From those behemoth mainframes to the invisible digital storage we now access with just a tap on our screens. The journey of cloud computing is nothing short of a thrilling tech odyssey. In the digital age, where instant gratification is the norm, cloud computing stands tall as a beacon of innovation. It's the silent force that powers our binge-watching sessions, our endless scrolls through social media, and even those midnight online shopping sprees. But how did we get here? How did the cloud evolve from a mere concept to the omnipresent force that it is today? Buckle up, dear reader, as we embark on a time-traveling adventure, retracing the steps of cloud computing's transformative journey. From its early whispers in the corridors of 1960s research labs to the multi-cloud extravaganza of today, we'll uncover the tales, the milestones, and the genius minds that shaped the cloudscape. So, grab your virtual popcorn and let's dive into the fascinating world of cloud computing. The dawn of cloud concepts. The swinging 60s. A time of rock and roll, revolutionary fashion, and mainframe computers. That's right. While the world was grooving to the Beatles, the tech realm was buzzing with its own kind of excitement. Enter the world of massive mainframes, where computing was an elite affair, reserved for the bigwigs and tech giants. But amidst this exclusivity, a radical idea was taking shape. The brilliant John McCarthy, often dubbed the father of AI, dropped a thought bomb that would echo through the decades. He mused about a future where computation may someday be organized as a public utility. Imagine that. A world where computing power could be tapped into, just like turning on a tap for water or flipping a switch for electricity. McCarthy's vision was groundbreaking. He dreamt of a democratized digital landscape, where computing wasn't just for the elite but accessible to all. While the 1960s tech enthusiasts might have brushed off McCarthy's ideas as wishful thinking, little did they realize that they were witnessing the birth of a concept that would revolutionize the way we interact with technology. The cloud was still a distant dream, but the winds of change had started to blow. Virtualization and the birth of modern cloud. Fast forward to the groovy 70 seconds and the neon-lit 80 seconds. Disco balls, funky hairstyles, and virtualization. Oh yes, the tech world had its own kind of party going on. As bell-bottoms made waves in fashion, the concept of virtualization was making ripples in the tech pond. Now, what's this virtualization, you ask? Think of it as the magic trick of the tech world. It allowed a single physical machine to act like multiple virtual ones, each running its own operating system and application. This was the game changer. No longer did organizations need a room full of computers. One machine could do the job of many. It was like having multiple virtual rooms inside a single real one. Mind-blowing, right? But wait, the plot thickens. As we moved into the 90 seconds, the era of grunge music and the World Wide Web, a new concept started to emerge. Virtual private networks available for rent. Companies no longer had to invest heavily in their own infrastructure. They could simply rent the computing power they needed. It was like Netflix, but for computing, you only pay for what you use. This era set the stage for the cloud as we know it today. The foundations were laid, the tech world was abuzz, and the dream of a public computing utility was inching closer to reality. The internet boom and early cloud services. The turn of the millennium. Y2K fears, baggy jeans, and the irresistible charm of dial-up internet tones. As the world was getting accustomed to the idea of the World Wide Web, the cloud was gearing up for its grand debut. Enter Salesforce.com in 1999, making waves as the poster child for delivering enterprise applications via a simple website. This was revolutionary. Businesses could access sophisticated software over the internet, without any of the fuss of installing or maintaining it. It was like ordering pizza online, simple, efficient, and oh so convenient. But the real fireworks began in 2006. Picture this: Amazon, the online bookstore, decided to step into the tech arena with Amazon Web Services. They introduced two services that would change the game forever: Simple Storage Service and Elastic Compute Cloud. Suddenly, businesses could store their data and run applications on virtual servers, all hosted on the cloud. It was like having a virtual playground, where you could build, experiment, and scale without the hefty price tag of physical infrastructure. The 2000 seconds saw the internet not just as a tool for information and communication, but as a platform for innovation. Cloud services democratized access to technology, allowing startups to giants to harness the power of the cloud. The digital landscape was evolving, and the cloud was at the heart of this transformation. The big players enter the scene. As the calendar flipped to the 2010 seconds, the tech world was in for a rollercoaster ride. The cloud was no longer a fledgling concept, it was the talk of the town. And when there's buzz, the big players are bound to make their entrance. Microsoft, with its rich legacy in software, wasn't about to be left behind. They unveiled Azure in 2010, offering a suite of cloud services that included those for computing, analytics, storage, and networking. Azure's integration with Microsoft's software products gave it a unique edge, making it a favorite for businesses already entrenched in the Microsoft ecosystem. Not to be outdone, Google stepped into the spotlight with Google Cloud Platform. Leveraging its dominance in search and data analytics, GCP offered services that catered to both developers and enterprises. Think of it as Google's way of sharing its magic with the world, allowing businesses to harness the same infrastructure that powered Google's own products. The 2010 seconds became a battleground for cloud supremacy. AWS, Azure, GCP, each brought its own flavor to the table, leading to a competitive landscape that spurred innovation at breakneck speeds. The race was on, not just to capture market share, but to shape the future of cloud computing. This decade also saw the rise of specialized cloud services, hybrid cloud models, and a focus on security and compliance. The cloud was maturing, and businesses were reaping the benefits. The rise of multi-cloud systems. The 2020 seconds ushered in a new decade, and with it, a fresh perspective on cloud computing. As businesses grew more sophisticated in their needs and understanding of the cloud, a one-size-fits-all approach no longer cut it. Enter the era of multi-cloud systems. But first, what exactly is multi-cloud? Picture a chef in a kitchen, using ingredients from multiple stores to create the perfect dish. Similarly, multi-cloud is all about using multiple cloud services from different providers, each chosen for its unique strengths, to create the perfect solution. Why the shift to multi-cloud? The reasons are plenty. Flexibility. Businesses could pick and choose services based on specific needs, rather than being tied to a single provider. Resilience. By spreading resources across multiple clouds, businesses could ensure continuity even if one service faced downtime. Optimization. Cost, performance, and operational efficiency could be optimized by leveraging the best of each cloud provider. The benefits were clear, but multi-cloud also brought its own set of challenges. Managing multiple providers, ensuring seamless integration, and navigating the complexities of different platforms required a new approach. And that's where multi-cloud management solutions came into play, offering tools to orchestrate, automate, and streamline multi-cloud operations. The 2020 seconds are shaping up to be the decade of multi-cloud, with businesses recognizing its potential to drive innovation, agility, and growth. Cross4Cloud, pioneering the future of multi-cloud management. In the vast cosmos of cloud providers, where each star shines with its unique brilliance, navigating the multi-cloud universe can be daunting. That's where Cross4Cloud emerges as the trusty compass, guiding businesses through the intricacies of multi-cloud management. But what makes Cross4Cloud stand out in this crowded space? Let's dive in. Unified management. With Cross4Cloud, businesses no longer need to juggle multiple dashboards or interfaces. It offers a centralized platform, bringing together diverse cloud services under one roof. Think of it as the maestro of an orchestra, ensuring every instrument plays in harmony. Innovative solutions. Cross4Cloud isn't just about management, it's about innovation. With offerings like Cross4Compute, Cross4Report, and Cross4Storage, it pushes the boundaries of what's possible in the multi-cloud realm. These tools simplify complex tasks, from data analytics to storage optimization, making the multi-cloud journey smoother and more efficient. Security and compliance. In a world where data breaches make headlines, Cross4Cloud places a premium on security. It ensures that while businesses leverage multiple clouds, data integrity and compliance are never compromised. Cost optimization. One of the key challenges of multi-cloud is managing costs. Cross4Cloud offers tools and insights to optimize spending, ensuring businesses get the best bang for their buck. In essence, Cross4Cloud is not just another tool in the multi-cloud toolkit, it's a game changer. It recognizes the challenges businesses face in the multi-cloud era and offers solutions that are both innovative and practical. As we stand on the digital precipice of the 2020 seconds, reflecting on the evolutionary journey of cloud computing is truly awe-inspiring. From the humble beginnings of mainframes in dimly lit rooms to the vast, interconnected expanse of multi-cloud systems, our understanding and implementation of the cloud have undergone a transformative journey. This story is a testament to innovation, resilience, and vision. It speaks of early visionaries, pioneering efforts, and the continuous drive of businesses, like ours, to embrace and champion change. The dawn of the multi-cloud era promises unparalleled flexibility, optimization, and resilience. However, the path is not without its challenges. Navigating the intricacies of multiple clouds, ensuring seamless integrations, and optimizing costs require expertise and foresight. That's where Cross4Cloud steps in, offering solutions designed to illuminate the path and empower businesses to harness the full potential of the multi-cloud universe. For those who share our passion for innovation and are eager to be at the forefront of the multi-cloud revolution, we invite you to explore our early access program. Together, let's shape the next chapter in cloud computing.